Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am dyeing my hair purple to neon green ombre with Iroiro today, and I'm super excited. I already mixed all of our dyes, so let's get into it. To make the purple dye, I used a mixture of Iroiro's neon red and Manic Sirens song, Ultraviolet, and atomic turquoise. For our blue today, it is just Iroiro's turquoise, beautiful blue. They had a neon blue, but Sally's didn't have that one, so we're just going to go with turquoise today. For our yellow, again, Iroiro's neon yellow, and same with our green. I have paper towels next to me for easy clean up between colors. And just like how I did my sunset, I'm going to be wrapping up the lightest color on the ends with tinfoil. I will be doing half for you guys and then half on TikTok Live. So if you are watching this video coming from my live, hi. Nice to see you in this neck of the woods. And I'm just dragging this down a little bit farther than where I want it to end, because when we add in our blue and mix it upwards, it's going to cover up that purple a little bit. So we want this nice and saturated and dragged down for a seamless blend. I feel like I'm doing ASMR right now. Now for the blue. There we go, and to blend them upwards, just use either your thumb and your fingers, or you can use your scissor fingers and blend them together like that. I'm doing half over here and then half on TikTok Live, so if you are here from that live, thank you for joining me in this neck of the woods, and it's good to see you. And then on the very tip of the ends, I'm going to use some of their neon yellow. Okay. I think this looks very pretty, and I'm super excited for the rest of it.